If you want to impress someone with an easy, good-tasting recipe, try this easy, cheesy, pull-apart garlic bread. Your family will love it. Oh, yeah. Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. Did I say easy? It doesn't get any easier than Pillsbury's Grand Biscuits. After you open the roll of biscuits, separate the biscuits and slice each biscuit about 3 or 4 times each direction. Once you've finished slicing all the biscuits, you're going to put that in a mixing bowl. Add about a half a cup of melted butter. This is the fun part. You can season your pull-apart bread any way you'd like. I chose garlic, minced onion, and Italian seasoning. I also added some parsley flakes for a little bit of flavor and for some color. Add a little bit of salt for good luck and mix that all together. If the dough is a little sticky, just break it apart as needed. Here comes the cheesy part. Get yourself some good quality string cheese. Separate it like you see me doing here in the video. Cut it down into small sections. I did about 7 or 8 of these total. Now that you've cut your cheese, give your ingredients one final mix. Then add your ingredients to a greased muffin tray. Cover it up with some aluminum foil so that you don't burn it. And place it into the oven at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Now it's time to inspect our easy, cheesy pull-apart bread. Look at that. Easy cheesy. Oh yeah.